This squirrel, he just risked his life, all for one single nut. Meet Sneaky Squirrel, small, clever, and totally obsessed with acorns. But Sneaky doesn't gather nuts like the others. No, he steals them. His target? The biggest, most guarded stash in the park. Sneaky creeps along a branch, eyes locked on his prize, when, honk! A bird dive-bombs him out of nowhere. He slips, falls, and crash lands in a pile of leaves. Attempt 1, failed. But Sneaky doesn't give up. He builds a slingshot from sticks and rubber bands and launches himself like a furry superhero. Mid-air wink and wham! Leaf to the face right into a tree trunk. Attempt 2 also failed. Next up, spy mode. All black stealth crawl, ultra focus. Almost there until a giant dog bursts in with a loud bark. Sneaky panics, trips, and a nut flies right into the dog's food bowl. Attempt 3, spectacular failure. Undeterred, he builds a ridiculous, overcomplicated, nut-stealing machine complete with pulleys, a spoon launcher, and a skateboarding hedgehog. It starts working, nuts fall into his basket, until a sneeze shakes the tree, and acorns rain down on Sneaky's head. Everything's gone except one nut rolling right into his paw. Victory? The dog reappears, but instead of chasing, it offers the nut. No barking, no chasing, just peace. They sit together under the tree, cracking nuts, sharing snacks, watching the sunset. Sometimes the greatest heist ends in friendship. But don't worry, Sneaky's already eyeing the peanut butter jar.